Hey everyone, it's Jeannie Marie, and we're doing Nate's Hat Challenge, and I found a hat, so I put everything in here, and let's start picking. Where's my list? First I gotta find my list. I don't know where I laid that list, but we'll start picking the numbers. Number 31. Number 40. Number 20. And number 55. I'm sticking with 4 this time. Now I just gotta find my list. What did I do with it? I bet it fell, slid right off the table. Oh dear. Oh, here it is right here. So, let's start. We have number 31. 31 is, this is your ace in the hole. Ignore all non-color related challenges. Yeah, be an artist with those color restrictions, of course. Non-color related challenges. Okay. 55 is no metallics. Boo, I love it. I do love metallics. Number 40, must do a flip cup. Number 20 is must use glitter again. I just did that one, so I think I'm going to throw that one back, because I did that on the last challenge. I'm going to throw it back and get a different one. Alright, here we go. What's that say? Number 79. 79 is must use orange and purple. So, I can ignore that. This is your ace in the hole. Ignore all non-color related challenges. So I have to use orange and purple. Oh, it'll be a good Halloween one. I think that's the only one I do have to then do. Right? Because 40 was must do a flip cup, so I don't have to do that. I don't want to. 55 is no metallics. And 31 is the ace in the hole, which means 79 is the only one I have to do. Which means I have to use orange and purple. That sounds too easy. Maybe I should go for number 5. Let's try it. Number 5. Number 5. Fifth challenge is number 17. So 17 is must create based off of a quote. That sounds good. Alright, so we'll be back soon with the challenge. Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie, back with the hat challenge, Nate Cerami's hat challenge. And, as you know, it's supposed to be based off of a quote. And what I did was I picked a quote for Halloween, especially since I have to use orange and purple. And I decided to also use black. So, the quote is from William Shakespeare. It's double, double, toil and trouble. I don't know if anybody remembers that. I believe there's more to it. Fire burn and cauldron trouble. I'll check that. But I think that's how it goes. Double, double, toil and trouble and fire burn, cauldron. I don't know. I definitely want to check it, but that's what I'm basing this on. So let's get started. I already sprayed my cup. I'm going to do the flip cup like it said. I already sprayed it with some silicone. I'm going to put a little bit more black in it, even though I have black on my little board here. Then I'm going to the orange. I can get the lid off using orange. Oops, looks like it's clogged. Oh goodness, you'd think I would have checked this. Let's see. There we go. It's coming out now. Don't think I need a lot. And gloss purple with Floetrol. All these are mixed with Floetrol, even the black. And again, it's clogged. It's been a while since I used these colors. So, let's see what we can do to get it unclogged. Here. Okay. I think I might even just do a flippy cup. So, I might just put a little bit more black right here. Like this. And, if we're ready, here we go. I'm going to poke a hole in it. I'm going to do it. A flip and drag. That's what I'm going to do. Flip cup, and a drag. Looks like I got one side better than the other with that silicone blaster, but let's see what we can get here. And let's see what we get. A little too much paint. Looks like I'm getting some mud. Alright. Well, there's that. Maybe we can scrape out some of this purple. That's down at the bottom and orange. I think we need a little bit more orange in it. But it's still clogged. Let's get a little bit more orange in it. You know nothing ever goes right? Okay. Now, let's swirl it around a little. Alright. And we're just going to go back, forth, and all around and see what we end up with here. Boy. I don't know. Looks like it's purpley mud to me. But doesn't look too bad. Maybe I can make something over top of it once it dries. I don't think you're seeing this very well. I don't think my camera's set right. Maybe you can see that better. Alright, so here we are in the definitely Halloween themed hat challenge. I hope everybody enjoys it, and I hope I do better next week, because this one's not so great. Please like and subscribe. Here you go. Here's a up close of it. I just don't want to drip on anything. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Thank you so much for joining me. And I will see you next week for the next challenge.